the vectors 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, and 3, 2, 1 are linearly independent or linearly dependent or independent Okay, write the question. Describe whether the vectors 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3 and 3, 2, 1 are linearly dependent or independent. Okay, then we know that the set of vectors are said to be independent. We know that the set of vectors are said to be independent only when null space of matrix A is equal to 0 vectors, that is null space of matrix A is equal to 0 vector means 0 means, observe here, from the given matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Okay. In this problem, we need to check the given vectors are linearly dependent or independent. Okay, means the set of vectors are said to be independent only when null space of matrix is 0. That time only we are telling that given vectors are a null space. Okay, the given null space of matrix is 0, then the given vectors are independent. Okay, then here the rank of the matrices are ranked here. Observe here the rank of the matrix is 3 only. Okay, and rank of the matrix is what? Non-zero rows. We have to count non-zero rows. Okay, non-zero rows. Here 3 rows are non-zero rows only, means rank of A is equal to 3 only. Okay, then write down null space of A is the solution to Ax is equal to 0. Okay, then x as a 3 variables, x1, x2, x3. Okay, let us reduce A to its echelon form, or then 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. Okay, 2, 3, 1. The given matrix we have to convert it into echelon form. Okay, here using this element we have to do this one, and this one is 0. R2 is equal to R2 minus 3R1. Okay, R3 is equal to R3 minus 2R1. Okay, do the operation. We will get 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 5, minus 7, 0, minus 1, minus 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 5, minus 7, 0, minus 1, minus 5. Okay, then again Observe here, we use this element. Use this element. Okay, we have to do this one is 0. We have to do this one is 0. Operation here, observe here, R3 is R3 minus R3 minus R2 by 5. R2 by 5. Okay, R2 by 5 means 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 5, minus 7. Okay, 0, 0. Then do the operation, you will get it here minus 18 by 5, minus 18 by 5. Okay, I am not explaining this operation, only operation I am writing, then answer I am writing. Okay, do the addition and subtraction here. The next step is, here observe rank of A is 3 only here. Correct, this is converted to upper triangular matrix, U matrix, upper triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, row of A is equal to rank of A is equal to 3, rank of A is equal to 3, then R2 is equal to, this one we have to convert to 1, okay, means how to convert, R2 divided by minus 5, then R3, similarly R3 is also R3 divided by minus 18 by 5, minus 18 by 5, okay, then you will get it here, 1, 2, 3, okay, and also your rank of A is equal to 3, and observe the matrix here, given set of vectors are linearly independent. Okay, it's linearly independent because rank is equal to number of variables. Okay, rank is equal to 3. The number of variable is, observed in this one, number of variable is what here? X1 and X2 and X3. Okay, number of variables here, 3. Number of variable is 3. And the rank of this matrix is also 3. Rank of A matrix is also 3. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. Then that's why here write down one statement. A is equal to 3. Okay. Then given set of vectors are linearly independent, therefore rank is equal to number of variables. Okay, then apply this one. Here R2 is equal to R2 by minus 5, and also R3 is equal to R3 by minus 18 by 5, then 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 7 by 5, and 0, 0, 1. Okay. Then again observe this one, we have to do RREF, reduce the echelon form. Okay, we need to find RREF, okay, means what we have to do here, using this element we have to do this one is 0. Okay, using this element we have to do this one is 0. Then write down here R1 is equal to R1 minus 2R1. Okay. Then what will get here? Second row and third row write down as it is, 0, 1, 7 by 5, 0, 0, 1. Here 1 minus 2 into here 2R2. Okay, 1 minus 2 into 0 is 1. The next 2 minus 2 into 1 is 0. Write down 0 here. The next R1 is, then R1 is 3. Simplify, you will get it here 1 by 5. You will get it here 1 by 5. Okay. The next element we have to do, this one is 0. Okay, it means R2 is equal to R2 minus 7 by 5 R3. R2 minus 7 by 5 R3. Okay. Then 1, 0, 1 by 5. Then here 0, 1, 7 by 5, do the operation, this operation, it will become a 0. Okay. Then 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Okay. The next x1, x2 and x3. Okay, this is 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then next observe here, each column is having the pivot, each column. Observe here, first column also D1 1, D1 is 1 and D2 is this 1 and D3 is also 1. This is the pivot element. Okay, each column has a pivot element. Each column has pivot elements. Pivot elements, which implies x1, x2 and x3 are dependent. Okay. Then next to multiply. What will get here? Multiply. You will get it 1 into x1, first row, first column, 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 1 by 5 into x3 is equal to 0. The next is 0 x1 plus 1 into x2 plus 0 into x3 is 0. The next is similarly last row, first column, 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 1 into x3 is equal to 0. Then what will happen here? Here x1 plus 1 by 5, x3 is equal to 0. Here 0 plus x2 plus 0 plus 0 means x2 is equal to 0. And 0 plus 0 plus x3 is 0. x3 is 0. Okay. Then write down here x1 plus 1 by 5, x3 is equal to 0. We need to find the x1 value here. We know that x3 value, substitute here. x1 plus 1 by 5 into 0 is equal to 0 means x1 is equal to 0. x1 is equal to 0. Okay, null space of A is equal to x is equal to x1, x2 and x3. Okay, this is 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is 0 vector. Okay, 0 vector. The given vectors are independent. The given vectors are independent. The given vectors are independent. Okay, understood? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then next question, determine whether or not each of the following forms a basis in r to the power of 3, x1 is equal to 2, 2, 1 and x2 is equal to 1, 3, 7 and x3 is equal to 1, 2, 2. Okay. Then determine whether or not each of the following form of a basis are to the power of 3. Okay. First solution. Here x1 is equal to 2 comma 1 comma 1. Then write of matrix form. A is equal to x1, x2, x3. Okay. Then A is equal to 2 1 1, 2 3 2. Okay, 1 7 2, 1 7 2. Okay, then basis, the number of columns, basis is nothing but number of columns with pivot elements in reduced matrix U. Okay, then echelon form. U. Okay, 2 1 1, 2 3 2, 1 7 2. Do the operation using this element. This one and this one is 0. Okay, the given matrix we have to convert it into U, upper triangular matrix. Operation is R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 is equal to R3 minus R2 R1. Okay, the R1 by 2, Okay, the next 2 1 1, first column I write as it is. This is 0. Okay, do the operation R2 minus 1. 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Then next is 0. And 7 minus 1 by 2, you will get it here 13 by 2. 7 minus 1 by 2. Okay, 14 minus 1 by 2, we will get it 13 by 2. Then similarly, 2 minus 1 by 2, we will get it 3 by 2. Okay, we are 3 by 2. We have to convert the given matrix is triangular matrix. Means using these elements. Observe here, using these elements, we have to do this one is 0. Means R3 is equal to R3 minus R 13 by 4 into R2. Okay, then what will happen? The given matrix is here 2 1 1, 0 2 1, 0 0 minus 7 by 4. Okay, this is U matrix. Then rank of A is equal to 3 here. The rank of A is equal to 3. Then write down here D1 is equal to D1 is 2, D2 is 2, and D3 is minus 7 by 4. D1 is 2, and D2 is 2, and D3 is minus 7 by 4. And observe here, all the columns have a pivot. Means all the columns of a forms a basis. Okay, means all the columns of A forms basis. Okay, then here x1 is equal to 2 comma 2 comma 1, and x2 is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 7, and x3 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 2 from a basis in R3, R to the power of 3. Okay, then all the given vectors form basis in R3. All the given vectors form basis in R3. Means x1, x2 and x3. Okay, understood? Same method on the given matrix we have to convert it into upper triangular matrix. Then we have to identify the pivots, means D1 and D2 and D3. Write down. Any doubt in this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then take down next problem.